hills are alive with the sound of shotgunner. Hey folks, Manny CA, back with another educational, informational, and hopefully entertaining video in our Hey, how many times can I load that hull series. Today, bam! Federal Hybird. Yeah, Hybird. Being that we're in California, you gotta think that the bird's gonna be high, you know. Anyway, never mind. The Hybird 3 3/4 dram, they say 1 1/4 ounce, 7.5, 1330 feet per second. Now, they tout this as, they got a little picture of a pigeon, and here, let's see that. Little picture of a pigeon, a pheasant, and a crow. Cute, huh? And they've got a whole, what is this? Soft shell wad, which encompasses the whole lead shot. That's interesting. Here, you guys take a look at that. You know, there's one thing I don't like about watching other people's reviews sometimes. They don't show the box. Look. And it's Federal. Made in the USA. We hope. Well, for the time being. Make America great, people. How many times can you load these big boys? High brass, which we know here on the channel, mean absolutely nothing. High brass is just cute. Looks cute. Oh, look, high brass. Oh, it must be a powerful shot if it's got the high brass. Anyway, we know it means nothing, people. Standard 8 crimp. 8-point crimp. Federal Premium. Whoa. Premium. Hey, bird. Okay. What we're gonna do is shoot 2 of these bad boys. And you guys owe me for this, because I hate shooting these big velocity ones, because they hurt. I'm old. And the next day I feel it. But we're doing it just because you guys asked for it. How many times can you reload these premium ammunition shells? Hulls? Shells? Hulls? Ooh, good guy, bad guy, good guy, bad guy. I don't know. We'll find out. Stick around. Those of you who know the rigmarole that we do here, you've watched our channel before, you've seen the channel before, you know what happens. We go and we take and we shoot 2 of our chosen rounds until they give up, or we can't load them anymore. I'm kind of glad to be back with the American ammo, because the primer pockets don't need to get swaged. Whew, that is a hassle and a half. Being that they're Federal, you know that they're straight hull design, so choose your wads accordingly, as opposed to Winchester or Remington, which use a tapered design. Straight hull means more powder capacity, less pressure. Tapered, less powder capacity, more pressure. We load these with, well, we're gonna have to load these with heavier shot, aren't we? Yeah, 1 1/4. Oh gosh. Oh well, we'll do it. It's all in the name of science, right? We're gonna load 1 1/4. Ooh. See how the crimps come out. 1 1/4 a shot. We're gonna keep 24 grains of universal clays. It'll work. Actually, it might work even better with these in the light loads. Stick around. And it's fitting, it's Thanksgiving time, because we've got our pumpkin can ready to roll. Oh man, that's got a little kick to it. Wow, and actually kicked that can about 40 feet away. That's got some power to it. And even using Chedites, look at that. They are nice and tight. Hulls of the Manny CA channel this time around are using Federal straight wall design. These are Claybusters Figure 8 clones. Ooh. Remember, tapered or straight You gotta choose the correct wad for your hull. And don't overthink it. A lot of these wads, they all perform the same. You're better off getting the cheapest ones you can find. Shot number 2. High quality crimping. Nice plastics, actually. Shot number 2. Load number 1. Shot number 3, number 3, number 3. And a little bit of a dishing effect going on in there. Load number 4. And they're looking very nice. Very, very nice. Primer pockets seem like they're opening up a little bit. I think we get one more shot out of them. Okay, number 5. Number 5, they're holding up pretty well. I'm worried about that primer pocket though. We'll see what happens after this firing. All right, after the 5th shot, let's show you what's happening here. They're going in with finger pressure. These hulls are done. Now, what I think, we've got, what, 5? Yeah, we got 5 shots out of them, 4 loadings. That extra heavy 1/4 ounce really does a number on the shell. It really does a number on the shell. Interesting, huh? From 1 ounce to 1 1/4, that 1 1/4, the extra pressure, power that's going out. Interesting, very telling indeed. So, how many times can you get, how many loads can you get out of your Hi-Bird Federals? 5. 4 loadings, 1 factory. There you go. And you got a really cool looking high brass hull you could show all your friends, and when they see that, when you're out in the field, they're like, oh man, he's shooting some monster loads. We all know it doesn't really matter. You could have these with the low regular loads. Do I think these are worth the cost? I think these were like 12 bucks a box. Hold on. Wally World, booyah, $12 a box. You think they're worth $12 a box? I guess. You could probably load up your own cheaper. But that's just me. You guys like what we did here? Pass it along. We're doing these videos for you guys. You guys recommended these. You guys actually requested for these hulls. We went out and we found them. We aimed to please. Remember, YouTube, Google, they're censoring all Second Amendment, nationalistic channels, content. If you like what we did here, use the link, go up top. Cut and paste the link into the email and send them to your friends, okay? That's the only way we're gonna get the word out. They don't like people to know how to do these things because it makes the sport less mystic. This is not black magic, folks. It's simple, and we try to bring that here on our channel. Look back at our playlist. We got tons of stuff. Slicking up revolvers, casting your own bullets for your shotgun, you know, casting your slugs. That's all we do. We try to demystify spreading the gospel of the gun. Happy Thanksgiving. God bless you and your family. And for you guys who don't believe in God, well, don't watch. Till next time.